Listen to that rain.
Takes me back.
I was just thinking about that old piece of paper, the one I drew on with the purple crayon. You were always standing so tall, even then, always my protector.
You are in my heart, can't come. To my heart, can't come. With my heart, can't come. Remember that day at the park, you stood up for me. I went home, I couldn't stop smiling. I told my mom, he's strong, like King Kong.
And the name just stuck. I drew our hearts in a piece of paper, 'cause I knew our hearts belonged together.
Like King Kong, like King Kong.
And now we're here. All this time has passed, but you're still standing tall. Still the one I call when I'm about to fall. Some things never change. You're still the one, my home, so don't you move. Don't move it, baby, don't move it. Don't move it, baby, don't move it. So stop, 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 turn around, just stop, 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 and look at me, turn around. You are in my heart, King Kong. You're still in my heart. To my heart, King Kong. To your heart, my baby. In my heart, King Kong. With all in your heart, King Kong. King Kong. You are in my heart, King Kong. You're still in my heart. To my heart, King Kong. To your heart, my baby. With my heart, my King Kong. With all in your heart, King Kong. On that piece of paper, 'cause our hearts, they belong together. Good night.
King Kong.